Flexible AC transmission system and automatic voltage stabilizers. Yes, these are there to just have the automated process for the issue detection, for any problem detection in the transmission system. But still, they're for act as for the secondary purpose, or you can say for more alertness, we can use our SCR model linked with the transmission systems. Let's say for long transmission line, for medium transmission line, and for short transmission line, we can use our SCR model. So is how it is gonna used, it is gonna used like whenever the emotion detected is anger, so it might the our model is gonna just detect that it is for the employee protection, for employee diagnosis also, and for the diagnosis of the AC transmission or transmission system also. Let's see how it is gonna happen. Okay, let's see what is happening here. Let's start our transcription, our model, and our speech recognizer, and let's see what is going to be happen with the transmission line, and whatever we are just how our emotion is going to just detect these issues with the transmission lines. Let's first detect our emotion, that is anger, and by the help of the anger, what is going to be happen. Let's see. Okay, when the detected emotion is anger, the long transmission line is just shown. As we can see in the diagram, the power source and the load is given here, and the inductance here is also very high in case of the long transmission line. Long transmission line is mainly like you can say the larger distance transmission line. If the electricity, or you can say, has to just send for the very large duration, means very longer distances, then these type of transmission line are called upon. Let's see the next thing what is going here. Here we can see something, what are the issues which act during the long transmission line. Actually there are many types of the issues, many types of the things which is happening for these type of the transmission line. One of the issue is coronary discharge effect. As we can see in the figure, that is line 1 and line 2, in between two lines there is a some discharge effect, you can say. Ionized air glow around the conductors, you can see these are actually the conductors, and the formula you can also see what is this formula and what is going to do this and how it is going to affect, and what are the factors on which these coronary discharge is going to affect upon. And this is like one of the measures which can be taken. The measure 1, increase conductor spacing, you can say, by improving the conductor surface polished area, operating at optimal voltage. And the last one is, that is corona ring. By just having the corona ring to be attached at this point, you can just have corona discharge to be lessened, and which is just minimizing the wastage of the electricity or wastage of the energy also. So that's all about the thing. And also you can see something like here we can see a pop-up shows that measures are taken, issues resolved, taking a deep breath, transmission line is safe. What transmission line? That is a large transmission or long transmission line is safe according to this pop-up. So just seeing the emotion detected, anger and all these things only with the help of the one emotion, that is anger, it's not might be clear and very good for the people. So let's understand with the help of the another emotion, that is sadness. As the emotion detected is sadness, whatever you have just said in the form of sadness, as we can see here that the short transmission line, and in here we can see something like many issues are occurring here also in case of the short transmission line also. And the issues may be, you can say, something like a voltage drop, overloading, reactive power imbalance, and many other type of the issue, because at this point of time the value of the current, you can say, is very high as compared to that of the voltage, you can say. So here there are also many issues just occurring at this point of time. Here are also many steps which has to be taken by the people, or by the technician, by the line workers, or by the engineers, which is just helpful for, which is very mandatory. And what are those issues? The issues are, let's see, this pop-up said that shunt capacitor installed, voltage regulators, surge protectors. So after these alerts, and these alerts has just predicting or seeing that all the things are in safe position.